Everything you need to know about Salesforce Platform Developer Certification, iCert Global. The Salesforce Platform Developer Certification exam is designed for individuals who have experience developing and deploying custom applications on the Salesforce platform. The certification validates your knowledge and skills in designing, building, and implementing custom applications using Apex and Visualforce, and also covers various other topics related to the Salesforce platform. Benefits of obtaining the certification. Validation of skills. Obtaining the Salesforce Platform Developer Certification validates your skills and knowledge of the Salesforce platform, including its architecture, data model, and security features. Competitive advantage. As the Salesforce platform continues to grow in popularity, obtaining the Salesforce Platform Developer Certification can give you a competitive advantage in the job market. Increased earning potential. Having the Salesforce Platform Developer Certification can lead to higher pay and more job opportunities. Study resources and tips for passing the exam. Official study materials. The Salesforce Platform Developer Certification Exam Guide is the official study guide provided by Salesforce. Practice exams. Taking practice exams can help you gauge your knowledge and identify areas where you need to improve. Hands-on experience. Hands-on experience with the Salesforce platform is crucial for passing the exam. Time management. The Salesforce Platform Developer Certification exam is 105 minutes long, and you'll need to manage your time wisely to answer all the questions. Understanding the Salesforce platform and its capabilities. Custom objects. The Salesforce platform allows developers to create custom objects to store and manage data specific to their business requirements. Apex. Apex is a programming language used to write custom business logic on the Salesforce platform. Visualforce. Visualforce is a framework used to build custom user interfaces on the Salesforce platform. Best practices for designing and building scalable applications on the Salesforce platform. Define business requirements. Before starting development, it's important to clearly define the business requirements and use cases for the custom application. Use custom indexes. Create custom indexes on fields that are frequently used in queries or where clauses to improve query performance and reduce execution time. Avoid large data sets. Try to avoid querying or manipulating large data sets in a single transaction as it can cause performance issues. Managing data and data models in Salesforce. Objects. Objects are the basic building blocks of Salesforce's data model. Fields. Fields are the individual pieces of data that can be stored within an object. Relationships. Relationships define how objects are related to each other. Conclusion. It demonstrates your expertise in designing and developing custom applications on the Salesforce platform, showcasing your ability to create innovative solutions to address complex business requirements. By investing time and effort into studying and preparing for the certification exam, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of the Salesforce platform's capabilities and best practices for developing robust applications.